I'm Julissa Prado, founder of Rizos Curls, and I'm so excited to introduce a new addition to the Rizos Curls family, the Detox Oil. The Detox Oil is made with 100% natural essential oils. Every single ingredient was chosen to really purify and detoxify your scalp, skin, and hair. I love this oil and use it all the time. It's helped me so much. And 88% of people agree that the detox oil helped with their scalp flakiness. This oil is so perfect because it is incredibly lightweight. So some oils out there will just be very, very hard to absorb, but this is so lightweight that it quickly absorbs onto your skin. I use it on my face, I use it on my scalp, I use it on my body, and it smells so good. The scent is very citrus, refreshing, lemony. I love it because it really does add a boost of nutrients to my skin, hair, scalp. Your scalp is skin, and just as the pores on your face need to be cleaned out, so do the pores on your scalp. That is why I created the Detox Oil to really deeply purify, detoxify, and leave a clean slate. I love to use this oil in many different ways. It's very multi-purpose. I love to use it on my actual hair at the end to break my cast. So after my hair is dry, I like to run my hands through it to break any cast left over from my hairspray or my gel. I also love to apply the oil on my scalp as a pre-poo before I take a shower to just really break down any buildup on there. Some of my favorite ingredients in here are lemon peel oil, tea tree oil, Tamanu oil, and much more. Tea tree oil is known for its natural healing and soothing and antimicrobial properties. Tea tree helps balance excess oil production, combat flakes, and soothe scalp and skin. Lemon peel oil naturally purifies and helps restore health with its potent antioxidants and detoxifying benefits, and acts as a natural astringent, reinvigorating scalp and skin health. Tamanu oil is a nutrient-dense oil that provides anti-inflammatory benefits that soothes the scalp and promotes enriched, moisturized, and softer hair. Check out the full ingredient list because you're gonna be amazed at how potent and how many benefits every single ingredient formula has. 100% natural essential oils. Hope you love the new oil.